In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email sender address fast and easy using WooCommerce and WordPress. Whether you're adjusting the look of your communications or just standardizing your email outputs, knowing how to modify the sender address can be incredibly beneficial. Let's dive in and walk through this process together with straightforward steps to ensure everything runs smoothly. First, you'll need to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center for managing your site, hidden behind the scenes. So log in with your credentials and get ready to make some changes. Once you're in the dashboard, look over at the sidebar. Here, you'll find options for managing various aspects of your website. We're focusing on WooCommerce today, so find and click on WooCommerce from the sidebar options. This will take you into a specialized area for handling everything related to your online store. After clicking on WooCommerce, you'll want to continue by hitting the Settings option. Within Settings, we have specific controls over how WooCommerce runs and interacts with customers. Now, to reach a finer level of detail, head over to the Emails tab. This part of the settings is designed specifically for managing how your store communicates via email. It's crucial for making sure your branding remains consistent and professional. In the Emails tab, you will see an assortment of settings around email types and configurations. What we want to do now is click on the Manage button next to the specific email notification you want to alter. This will take you into a new page where you can fine-tune the details of this particular email. There's an option labeled From Address. This is where the magic happens. You'll change the current email to the one you prefer. Keep in mind, this new email address should be associated with your domain to ensure it's marked as legitimate and not flagged by spam filters. Using an appropriately linked address maintains credibility and reliability. Once you've entered the correct email address, carefully look over the page to ensure all information is accurate. It's easy to overlook minor details, so a quick review can save you from communication hiccups down the road. Lastly, don't forget to save your changes. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Save Changes button. This final step ensures that your adjustments are applied and stored within the system. And there you have it. You've now successfully changed the email sender address in WooCommerce on your WordPress site. By following these steps, you maintain your brand's cohesion and ensure all communications appear both professional and authentic. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.